Hi, this is Khalil from JK's Tech, and in today's video we will be doing a charger comparison between an Alcatel travel charger and a Samsung travel charger. So let's get straight into the video and to my very good colleague Alex.
Everyone, this is Alex from JAK's Tech and I'm back with another video. Okay, so in this video here we are going to show you a charger comparison. This here is a USB type B charger. It's a travel charger, yes, and it comes with 150 milliamp and has 5 volts. So here is how it looks. So there you can see the brand name is Alcatel. So this is the wall brick charger, so you can plug it in to charge. This is where you plug in your smart device, your smartphone. And yeah, so let's talk a bit about this device. So charger, it can charge your phone from 0% to 100 within 3 hours time. So let's talk about the overheating. So yes, this charger, like any other charger, will overheat after some time. So the the overheating tends to happen at 4.5 hours. The benefits of this charger really is that you don't need to charge it like some power bricks, because some power bricks require at least 12 hours of charge. This doesn't. I mean, you just plug it into the wall. The downside of this is that some USB type B chargers come with a replaceable back. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so what I have here is this USB type B charger. What I meant was that it can be removed and plugged into your computer or PC device in order to charge your smartphone, or to basically transfer files between computer and smartphone. So right now let's jump over to Khalil. He shall bring you more information about this type of charger.
This is a Samsung travel charger, and it is a Samsung adapter charger, as you can see, which means that the USB port here, the USB adapter could come out and put it into your PC and either charge it or transfer files into your PC. The next advantage of this charger is that it is very fast to charge. It will charge your phone in 2.5 hours or 2 hours and 50 minutes. And it is very efficient, although it will get hot after 4 hours and 50 minutes. And the voltage of this charger is 5 volts, although due to reasons it will charge at 0.5 amps, although the total output of the charger is 1 amp. And one of the advantages of this charger is that it charges very fast, and compared to an Alcatel charger, one of the downsides is it is more expensive than any other charger, because obviously it is a fast charger and it charges more faster than an Alcatel charger. So all in all, it is a good charger. This is Khalil signing out for JK's Tech. JK's Tech.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. I hope this video helped you out in every possible way relevant. If you like this video, you can give my video a like by clicking that thumbs up button. Also, if you want to stay in tune with the JAK's Tech YouTube channel, you can click that subscribe button and that notification bell icon for our latest updates. Peace.